So we have very good learned priests who have learned in different Veda Patashalas from different parts of the country, and this is a great opportunity for us to listen to this. And we are going to have Taittiriya Upanishad followed by Mahanarayana Upanishad in the Parayana. So I would like to introduce our Panditas here. So we start with Shiva Sri Chandrasekhar Gurukal, who has been our guiding force for all our KKS activities, and he is our guiding force, and he has taught Vedas to most of us in this area, so we are all indebted to him. He completed his Purna Veda Adhyayanam from under Brahmashri Kanchivai Narayana Ganapadigal and Brahmashri Tiruvadai Marudu Srinivasa Ganapadigal. Then he finished his, he obtained his BA in history from Manasa Gangotri Mysore University, and he has a Shironmani from Madras Sanskritam College. So here is Chandrasekhar Gurukal. Next we are honored to invite Sri Yagneshwara Dikshidhar. He is an accomplished Vedic Pandit. He has over 55 years of experience in performing and presiding over many major temple functions in India and the US. He was born in Kaladi, and he learned the entire Yajurveda. He is a Purna Dhyayi, and significant portions of the other three Vedas in a traditional way. He also learned the Vedic Purohitam procedures from expert practitioners. Then we also welcome Sri Hanuman Prasad, who is from Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple, and who also was participating in the morning event, and he conducted the Sudarshana Homa, and he was very enthusiastic, and I think I would say to a great extent that he was kind of an inspiring person for this particular event. He was always asking us to do a Sudarshana, he was always asking us, the KKSF group, to come to this temple and perform an event. And he has supported us in all our activities. So we personally thank him for getting all this organized. He helped us a lot, and it's a great pleasure to have him here. So here's Hanuman Prasad. Then from Levant Temple, we have Sri Narasimhacharya Samudrala. He has completed his Pancharatram from Veda Vishwavidyalayam in Vijayawada. So we Pancharatra Agamam Kalashala from Veda Vishwavidyalayam in Vijayawada. Agama Kalashala. Okay, so then we also have Sri Muralidhar Kidambi from Levant Temple, and he has completed Veda Adhyayanam, Purna Veda Adhyayanam from Sri Venkateshwara Veda Shastra Patashala from Tirupati. Then we have from the Sai Mandir in Aurora, we have Sri Ravi Bandhana Bhattacharya. He completed his Adhyayanam from Sringeri Sharada Samasthanam. He finished Yajurveda Krama, and he finished his Pancharatra. He worked in Virginia Balaji Temple for 2 years, and I think he is new to this area. So we welcome him, and we seek the blessings of Acharyas for his Jayanti, and we also seek his blessings to continue more of these events, and we want all the Vedikas to support us, and all of you to come and participate, and we also would like to encourage more of these kind of events in the future. Namaste.